dive a little bit into the explanations and then we do the exercise. With love and E, again we work with polarities. We look into it more in depth a little bit later. So we just do the basics, just use the force, you use the forces of the heart to expand and make contact with the world in front of you. And you use the energy, or you use the capacity that we can create a stream of flow which streams forward. And in a way, you embrace this world. And you stream into this world and it leads you forward. And as a sort of reaction, you let go, you feel your center, and you create a strong E gesture. And you create this gesture here, like a fence which protects you, and you are behind. And because you are behind, the gesture automatically brings you back on your heels. You feel a good contact. And then again, like in the two exercises before, we look for the middle, for the center. And this happens that we do not stand, okay, now I'm behind, now I'm protected, but it's a love E exercise. We remember the love quality and the streaming forward, and we try to have this protectedness, and we do not lose anything, not anything of it. But the love quality will allow the streaming quality to bring us in a center, and it's not a static center, but it's lively. Both qualities, centeredness and streaming forward, love-filled warmth at the same time in a dynamic interplay. We do it 5 times. Love, and let it stream, let it stream, let it stream. And then E. Feel your center, your rootedness. And recreate the love quality again, the stream. Have both in the middle. Let go, ray out from your heart, stream forward into the world, embrace it, infinitely grow big. Let go, E. A strong E becomes really strong. Have power in your hands, and then recreate the first quality. Let it carry you into the middle. Feel both. Let go. Love. E. And do not begin to stream, to go into love again before you feel the strong E, the strong uprightness. And then it comes. Love. E. Love, E. Let the breath react. 5th time. Love. Feel how your chest reacts. E. Feel how your spine reacts. Love, E. Both. Let go. Let the breath react. Feel the area of your chest. And feel down into your legs. What do you experience there now? What does what we have done here do now also down there? Maybe. And let your breath react as much as possible and go with it. Support your breath when it wants to react.